There we go. Cornbread made. Look how perfect and soft that is. Just look at that. Perfect cornbread made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a quick cornbread. So easy, so quick. Here's a bowl. Here's some flour. Here's some baking powder. Here's some sugar. Sugar's optional with the cornbread. You either like it sweet or you don't. That's up to you. Here's some salt. Here's some cornmeal. Give it a mix. Take another bowl. In there, buttermilk. Melted butter. Got an egg? Give it a little beat up. Add that to that. Take your whisk. Make sure your oven's on and preheated at 180. Now I'm using a 8" by 8" square tin. I've put butter roller inside, lined it with some parchment. Take your dry mix. Add your wet mix. Now they always say do not over mix. I don't understand how they say do not over mix when you get all that dry ingredients mixed up with the wet. That's our batter. Take your tray in there. A little, and in the oven. In the oven about 20-25 minutes until you can stick a skewer in or a toothpick and it comes out clean. It's done. Okay, that's smelling cooked to me. I think we need to have a look at it. Let's have that out of there. Let's get a skewer. Look how that's blown up there with that. The wind's blowing it under, look. Look at that. Ooh. Hot. Clean as a whistle. Job done. Now, the thing is, with this in here, we'll just give it 5 minutes and then we're going to pop it out. It should just come straight out of there. Okay, we're just going to have to cut into this. We want to see what it's like. Now what we need to do is take these crusts off. We do not waste the crusts. Save them. And I'll show you why in another recipe. So we just want to come in there and take off the crust. Now this is red hot, this cornbread. Very hot. So there we go. It's soft, it's light, it's fluffy. That's cornbread made. So we need to be just coming in here. Something like that. Now we'll take some squares. There we go. Cornbread made. Look how perfect and soft that is. Fantastic. Just look at that. Perfect cornbread made. Look at that butter. The butter melting off there. So there we have it. A real quick and easy one indeed. Look how fluffy and light that is. Absolutely fabulous. You know, many people eat cornbread around the world. Many people don't know how to make it so quick and easy. Now there are many recipes to make cornbread. This is a quick and easy one. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Got a lovely hint of corn through there. Delicious.